So here we have the Land Rover Discovery on a 59 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area.
As we approach the back of the vehicle, you'll notice two things. First of all, the tow bar. We've also got reversing sensors. The tailgate section will open up separately in two different parts. The button for this one is just here. And as we back away, you'll see plenty of boot space. This is a 7-seat vehicle, so you can, of course, fold the rear two out should you wish to.
Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see, particularly for its age, it's in really nice condition the whole way around. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the coolant temperature gauge, the fuel gauge, the digital readout for the speedometer. It will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park at the moment. And then above that, the total miles for this car, which are 104,698. You can change information that's displayed there for various bits of trip computer information, and we have different menus available up on the screen as well. Accessed using these buttons and the button on the end of the indicator stalk. We've also got our phone controls out here, as you can see. Into the center, we have the main stereo and the screen for the stereo. So in terms of music options, first of all, you can see we have auxiliary input, we have a CD player, we've got AM and FM radio as well. You can, of course, pair up your phone, as I mentioned. You can change your bass, treble, etc. from there as well. And all of that is done with these buttons. We can also adjust the volume for the stereo, of course. You can see your CD player. And then the dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature from here. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. Air conditioning is on at the minute, so you can turn that off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will then maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. You can manually override that whenever you wish to. You'll see auto has now gone off, with a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen. Down here we have all the various controls for our 4-wheel drive, various different off-road settings, as you can see. And then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, next to which we have the electronic handbrake. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.